these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong. Yeah.
Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. You know who it is. It's your girl, the Glam Goddess of DIY, here today to bring you all another inspiring glam DIY idea. So guys, I am so thankful to have you all here today. I hope you all are doing wonderful. And if you haven't told someone that you love them today, then you should do so, because we never know when we'll get a chance again. So guys, with that being said, let's get into this video. Okay guys, so today we are going to make a stand/vase. And let me tell you the story behind that real quick. So I was at a furniture store and I saw a beautiful stand and it was so nice looking. So I decided to make it, but I needed a box. So I was in Dollar Tree one day and I saw the box and I was like, hey, can I have that box? And they said yes. So I felt like it was destiny that I do this DIY project, y'all. So guys, we are also going to convert this into a vase if I can. That's in my head, y'all. So I'm going to try to do that so I can give you two DIYs in one. Okay. So what we're going to use is our mirror tile that I got from Fly. And we're also going to use some of this flexible mirror that I got from, it's old y'all, that I got from Amazon. We're also going to use some of our rhinestone ribbon that I got from Amazon, glue gun, glue sticks, a X-Acto knife, and some scissors. Okay, guys, so I drew the line with a pen where I wanted it to stop because I wanted it to be even. So I'm going to do my best to cut this out, y'all. And y'all know I'm not good at measuring, but I'm going to do the best that I can. Okay guys, so as we are doing this, I wanted you to know that like I said, a lot of people think that these tiles are very expensive, and they probably are, as far as, you know, like if you're doing one project. But if you're doing multiple projects and you are wanting to, you know, keep doing projects, these tiles last for a long time. So I call it an investment. So if I were you, I would definitely, you know, try to get some of these tiles. I love them. And like I said, they're so, versatile. You can do so many different things with them. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and, and a lot of people ask about the sturdiness of them. And you see how that went to that side because of the weight. It is very heavy once you are, you know, done. So it is definitely stable. Okay guys, so this is how it's looking so far, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and take all of the paper off of the mirrors, and then we're going to go ahead and clean it up, and I'm going to show you all how it looks. Okay guys, so this is how it looks as a stand, and disregard all the dirtiness in the background, y'all. So this is how it looks, and I'm going to show you all how it looks as a vase. Okay guys, so here it is as a vase. So guys, I don't like the flowers in there, but I had to put some in there just to give you all that visual, okay? So this is how everything turned out, guys, and I love how it turned out. And if you like what you see, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIY.